Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting. In the beginning, let's go to Bluetooth settings of your smartphone. Firstly, tap on it to enable or disable Bluetooth, to soft reset Bluetooth. Next, go to settings of the Bluetooth. Find device you would like to connect with and then forget it from the list. Then connect it again. If this didn't work, there is one last thing we can try. Simply go to system settings of your smartphone, enter reset and go to network settings. Reset network settings, and this will reset also Bluetooth settings to factory defaults. This should fix all Bluetooth problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.